I've been an international traveller, and when I've been, well, I haven't been to Japan, but you know, when people go to Japan, they hear the Japanese language. If you go to the islands, people are speaking their language, and yet when you come to New Zealand, you might as well be in Australia. You know, I mean, the recognition. I don't, honestly, when I don't know how many hotels I've slept in, heaps. And if I have to say that they've got pictures in all the motel rooms, you might as well be in Australia. There's nothing that depicts our country. Having the reo in New Zealand depicts to me New Zealand. That's what it does to me. I love the thought that, you know, we can say kia ora. If you go to Australia, do you know the Aborigines have got so many dialects? They do not have one word as a greeting in their language. Whereas here in New Zealand, look how unique we are. Māoris across the whole of our country acknowledge kia ora. And, you know, so we have some similarities in our language that it's just wonderful. And, you know, Europeans, I mean, they're beginning to acknowledge, well, we're in New Zealand, because when you head overseas, truly, you're in other countries, they speak their language. And I like it. I like the thought of going to Japan and hearing Japanese language. I like the thought of when I'm in the islands, people are greeting you in their tongues. Isn't it wonderful when you come to New Zealand that we can greet one another in the native tongue of the people, first people of New Zealand? Wonderful.
It's our national language. I think it's very important to New Zealanders that we learn the Maori language.
And do you know a little bit?
Yes, I know a little bit. I should know more, and I'd like to learn more when I've got time. That isn't an excuse, I know, but I should know more.
Yeah. It's next week's Māori Language Week.
Yeah.
Do you think it's important to this country, the Māori language?
Oh, for those who want to learn it, yes, by all means. I think it's probably very important for those people to know their own language. But I think it perhaps should be up to them to learn it in their own time, perhaps, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
What did you love about the Māori language?
Oh, it's just cultural.
Pardon?
Cultural. It's like been passed down for generations.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Everyone's looking at it.
You do haka as well?
Yep.
Well, I think the Māori language belongs to Māori, so that's what we love most about it. It's something that distinguishes us from any other race and people, is our language. So I think that's what we all love most about our language. It's special and unique to us.